Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to talk about another experience. So today we're in Dubai Marina West. This is my mom's boss's yacht. So we're going to talk about it first. So this yacht has 3 floors. This is the living space. You could see the kitchen and there's a driveway where the captain sits, but this is not the place he drives. Now we're going down to the last floor. So this is where the bedrooms are. Like this is the master bedroom and there's another bedroom behind. That's another small one. So next we're going up. This is the party deck where we spend time the most. So I also drove the boat, but not for long. Yeah, so we went to see the Ferris wheel, one of Dubai's landmarks. Then we went to see Atlantis, and we also went under some canals and under bridges. People started to recognize us. They're like waving, shouting, and yeah. We also passed many ships. They're small, big. We also passed like very tiny ones like speedboats, cruises, other ones. So we also stopped like halfway. Where we were almost done, it's halfway. We stopped. It was so satisfying. Like the boat stopped, the anchor fell. Yeah, then we took some floaties, put them in the water, and started to relax on the water. The Dubai police also came and just left us. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe.